Hello,
Hello.
am I audible?
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, you're audible to me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you.
So let's start with introduction. My name is Zishan. Basically, I'm a developer. I'm a full stack developer and managing agency named Shanvast, and I provide services related to the developments, SEO, and marketing. So I check your website, the website link you sent me. I saw there are many problems in the code in the website. So let's talk about that. So you want to recreate your website, or you just want to remove the error that currently create conflict inside your website. So let's talk about it and decide in which side we have to go.
Okay. So when we were creating this website, we followed so Jenny. So I teach art classes at a retirement home, and so one of my students is Jenny, and she's an author. And so she had been working with this agency that her friend's son had for the longest time. It's a marketing agency that she used to work with, and he basically scammed her for a year and a half. He was charging her by the hour, and for 1.5 years they worked together, and he did not create a website for her. So then I was like, you know what? Let me see. I use Fiverr. Let me see if I can get you someone to freelance something for you. And so that's how it started. She really liked this WordPress theme called Tenku. Let me show it to you.
Okay, you can.
And that's what we were trying to completely copy, right? And but the thing is, Tenku is a WordPress Pro theme, so we weren't able to use that. And as a drag and drop, we had to customize it to make it look like that. So the person who was doing, designing this website for us, installed Elementor Pro for us, and he said that would make it very easy to make changes.
Yeah, it's a good page builder when you work on it.
Right. So get started. Huh. Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna share this with you so you can have a look. Except there's such basic things that just don't look right with this website. Like some of the alignments are not correct, and it's like so much back and forth with this designer. And I've told him several times. I've screen recorded the website, shown him the things that need to be fixed, but then it comes back to the same thing. So at this point, I don't mind if we continue with the same website as long as we're able to also fix those certain things.
Yeah, let me check your theme, the theme you shared with me. So basically, we have the website design that you shared, but I will check the theme and let you know in which way we have to go. Basically, website is already created, so in my opinion, first of all, I will try to fix the error. Basically, you can say it, someone tried malicious code in your website that will affect.
Yeah, that's what I figured. But do you think someone actually tried to do it on purpose?
No, basically I see the backend, the file, the codes, and I saw what I saw that I want to see. So I see there is some files that you can say it, core WordPress functionality, core WordPress files didn't have that types of files. So then after seeing that file, so I tell you we can remove that files and fix this issue first, and then we'll work on the things that you want to
Okay,
improve
so
on the
the
website.
things that I want improved on the website are actually pretty minor. If I knew how to use WordPress, I would. I've used Wix in the past, and now I'm using vibe coding to create websites. But the reason why it would have been very easy to just create a website for her using vibe coding and then give it to her, but she wanted to use WordPress so she can go and make changes. She's like 80 years old or something, and she says that she wants to go and make changes in the future if she can, and she's used WordPress in the past. So that's I stuck to WordPress, or else I was wasn't going to be my first choice.
Yeah,
I don't use
WordPress is a flexible when you talk about the changes and for the future changes, so it will be easy for anyone. So anyone can change anything according to your own requirements. So okay, we will go for this website, and first of all we will remove the error that currently occur on your website. So I will try to figure out the malicious code and remove all the malicious code that will affect on your website front end, and then after that we will fix the changes, basically the changes you tell me, fixing the images and all the other things. Also I will audit your website, complete audit your website, so I will check other things that will need fixing. So I saw it. Basically it's a basic website, there is nothing, just a simple 3 to 4 blogs on a homepage. So yeah, I will try to fix. I will give you a complete site that basically help your business, help your client, that where you want to send this website.
Okay. The other thing was hosting. I don't have the login for it. Do you need it?
Basically, for removing a malicious code, we have to check the databases, we have to check the WordPress core functionality, core files. But currently, the thing I am seeing is there is a plugin, that file manager, that will show all of the WordPress backend core files to us. So I checked that plugin and I saw a lot of additional file that didn't need in WordPress. So I will try to remove the error from the file manager plugin that currently give us a facility to saw the core files. So I will try to fix from this plugin. If it will not work, so hope so we have to go for the login, hosting login.
I will do something that will help us.
I don't have the login.
Yeah, I will try to. First of all, I will try to.
So I called the company.
Yeah.
I called the company. So because I was able to find what the company was based on WordPress logins. I logged into WordPress and I found who they were servicing with, and I got in touch with the hosting company and I called them and they said that there's that they've checked everything. There's nothing wrong on their end. It has to be from the WordPress end.
Okay. For now, we will work on direct WordPress admin and try to fix through WordPress admin.
I know we decided that guarantee that it's going to work, because I don't want to spend any more money and not have things done. There's been just so. Do you think it's going to work?
Yeah, basically it's you can say it's not a competitive budget for this type of task, but I will try my best to find and remove the error. That's why I will ask for going for the second option, because it's easier for me in this budget to find the error and fix that error. Otherwise, recreating a website with these type of functionality will cost more than $500 to $600 with this type of functionality. So okay, don't worry about it. I will try to find the error and will fix the error for you. Also, I will improve the visual elements of the website, because currently I can see this website need a complete redesign, but we'll do redesign things according to your requirement and try to do things that will fit in your budget.
Okay, so we're still talking about project.
Yeah, removing the error, and then you can set for changing the images, etc. that you want to change.
Okay. So I think the website currently looks pretty close to the Tenku theme, but yeah. So if you do see, like, maybe this could be raised a little bit higher, or if alignment could be better here and there. So if that's something you could help with.
Yeah, our team will help basically in visual elements, so this website will look fine for you. So after you can set editing all these things, so your website layout and visual elements will be look perfect. So don't worry about the website structure and website layout, it will be top notch.
Okay. Think you have a team, you said?
Yes, basically I am agency. I have agency that basically do all sorts of works, but mainly the development task I will handle myself. So for SEO and for marketing, I have persons who will handle these tasks. Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time. If you have any question, you can ask me, and I will try my best to answer your queries.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.